Today we'll be doing a DIY on sugar scrubs that you can use in the shower to exfoliate your skin, to get you all nice, soft, and getting all them dead skins off. This is the one that I currently use right now. It is very affordable. All my products came from Walmart except for the container. It came from Dollar Tree. And the name of this one would be Baby Scent Sugar Scrub. And so I just wrote that on a container, and this is what I keep it in. You will need 2.5 cups of granulated sugar. You will need 1/4 cup of mild baby wash, any scent. And you will need 1/4 cup of baby oil as well. You'll also need measuring cups. So I got all my measuring cups out. I specifically use these sets of measuring cups when I'm doing non-cooking items, except for the sugar, but the body wash and the baby oil. Actually, I'm going to use the sugar for this one, and I'm going to do the baby oil in this 1/4 cup right here. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First thing you'll like to do is add your sugar. One thing you'll know for a good sugar scrub, you'll need more sugar than any other product. If they asking for more than any other product, then you know they're going to be a mild sugar scrub. You want something that feel very, you can feel it working. Okay, got to do one more. Okay, so we're going to pour 2.5 cups. And for this container, I'm going to have to double it because it's going to, but I'm just going to do one at a time. I am making a mess today. And then I have a cup. Okay. Then I'm saying you need the baby oil. So you need a 1/4 cup of baby oil. I'm going to squeeze. It doesn't matter which order that you put the body wash or baby oil in. And then you also need, take it out, 1/4 of the baby wash. Also, you'll need either fork or spoon, and you just stir it together. You'll see it coming in. Oh Lord, I'm wasting my product. Well, this is mine, so I'm just gonna put it back in. But make sure you get all the way to the bottom so you can get everything incorporated. And this smells so good. I normally exfoliate my skin twice a week. My days are normally on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I chose those 2 days so I can remember. But you choose the 2 days what's best for you. Like I said, my container can hold 2 batches of this. So normally once I get the, see, make sure you look at the bottom. So I get this first layer well combine, I normally go ahead and make up the second layer. And you can feel and see the consistency of it. How abrasive that is. And you get that glow from that baby oil. So you can really see that I'm just going to leave that on. I normally when I get done to do my whole hand. You can see that glow. I haven't dried it off super good. But yeah, and it feels so soft. But yes, I want to thank you guys for joining me. It lasted for a good 2 months. It lasted for a good 2 months, or a month and a half, I should say. On it, when I got down to the bottom, from the top, the consistency was still the same. So I was really impressed with this product, and it's a DIY. You know everything that you're putting into it, except for the ingredients that is in the baby oil and baby wash. But far as you know what you're putting into it, like what you're adding into it. So until next time, thank you. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Let me know what your favorite body scrub is, and thank you guys for watching. Until next time.